heart, falling for you. You're messing with my heart and I still wanna love you.
Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. To make this type of edit, first download the XML and audio from the description. After downloading XML, import it on Alight Motion. First delete the audio layer and import the video clip which I have given in the description.
Your eyes got my heart.
Just extract its audio and delete video.
Your eyes got my heart, falling for you.
Okay, now let's add your photo. Come to this first blue layer and open color fill, then click media not found. Now choose your pic and import it by clicking on plus icon. Import the same picture to downward layer. If you want this ghost effect, then check my previous videos. I have made dedicated video on it. Now come to second layer and add same picture.
Your eyes got my heart, falling for you.
But in third layer, you can add same picture. Also another picture if you want.
Heart, falling.
Okay, I choose another picture.
My heart, falling for you.
Now in next clip, add another picture.
Falling for you. You're messing.
Here also add another picture.
For you. You're messing with.
Now in this clip, add same picture as before.
You're messing with. Falling for you. You're messing with my heart.
Again, add same picture here. And in last clip, add another picture.
And I still wanna love you.
If your device can't export this, then delete these 3 layers. It's not that much important.
Your eyes got my.
Now at last, what you have to do is like and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to turn on notification bell.
Your eyes got my heart, falling for you. You're messing with my heart and I still wanna love you.